Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your laptop's battery life is starting to feel more like a countdown timer, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the top 5 best replacement batteries for a laptop. Perfect picks to bring your device back to life and keep you powered up on the go. Whether you're working from home, gaming, or just trying to stay productive, we've got options that are reliable, long-lasting, and worth your money. And don't worry, all the products we mentioned today are linked down in the description below, so be sure to check those out. Let's get right into it. Top 5 best replacement batteries for a laptop. ENUDE-VOL Pro 12.9 10307 mAh. The 10307 mAh tablet PC battery is specially designed for the Apple iPad Pro 12.9, first generation, compatible with models A1584, A1652, and A1577. Featuring a high-capacity lithium polymer design, this battery ensures reliable and long-lasting power for your device. To achieve optimal performance, it's recommended to discharge and recharge the battery 5 to 10 times after initial use. Avoid over-discharging or letting the battery sit idle for extended periods, as this can lead to swelling or reduced lifespan. Always charge the battery before it drops below 20%, and refrain from using the device while charging to maintain safety and longevity. Use only high-quality chargers, avoid prolonged charging, and never disassemble or tamper with the battery structure. Proper care ensures maximum performance and a safer experience. Mod 4 Known Name Null M51K. The Known Name Null M51K laptop battery is a reliable replacement designed for various Dell laptop models, including the Vostro 3458 and 3558, as well as the Inspiron 14, 15, and 17 from the 3000 and 5000 series. Compatible models include 5558, 5559, 3452, 3551, 3451, 3567, 5755, F758, and F759. Engineered to meet or exceed OEM specifications, this battery offers dependable performance and long-lasting power, making it ideal for users seeking a cost-effective solution to restore their laptop's mobility and battery life. Its straightforward installation and solid compatibility make it a practical choice for everyday computing needs. Suosion X230-44 Plus. The Suosion X230 battery is a reliable replacement designed specifically for Lenovo ThinkPad models X220i, X220, X230i, and X230. Compatible with original battery part numbers 0A36307, 42T4940, 0A36281, 45N1022, and 45N1023. This battery offers dependable performance and extended power to keep your laptop running efficiently throughout the day. Ideal for professionals, students, or anyone in need of a cost-effective battery solution, the Suosion X230 is engineered for safety, longevity, and compatibility with your ThinkPad device. Top 2. Pinjang for Apple. The Pinjang laptop battery is a high-quality replacement battery designed for a wide range of MacBook models, including the MacBook Air 13, A1466, A1369, MacBook Air 11, A1465, A1370, and the 12th MacBook, A1534. It is compatible with several battery part numbers, such as A13777, A405, A1496, A1375, A4195, A1527, and A1705. Built with durable lithium polymer cells, this battery ensures reliable performance and a long lifespan. It's an ideal solution for restoring your MacBook's mobility, offering stable power and efficient energy use. Whether you're replacing a worn-out battery or upgrading for better performance, the Pinjang battery delivers consistent quality and compatibility. King Senior A496. The King Senior new laptop battery A496 is a high-performance replacement designed specifically for the Apple MacBook Air 13-inch models A44666 from 2012 through 2017, including versions like MD760LLA and MD7661CHA. Engineered for reliability and long-lasting power, this battery features a capacity of 7150 mAh and operates at 7.6 volts, ensuring extended usage time and stable performance for your MacBook. It's an ideal solution for restoring your laptop's mobility, whether you're replacing a worn-out battery or simply looking to improve your device's battery life. Easy to install and fully compatible, the KingScener A1496 is built to meet or exceed original manufacturer specifications. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best replacement batteries for your laptop. Whether you're after performance, longevity, or budget-friendly options, there's something here for everyone. If you're ready to grab one of these, you'll find all the product links conveniently listed in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips and reviews, and hit that bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.